The National Road Safety Month 2021 is to be organized on which date? January 18 to Feb 17. Who has dedicated the new coastal research vehicle Sagar Anveshika at Chennai port to the nation? Harshvardhan. Which country has been removed from the list of state sponsors of terrorism? Sudan. The Government of India has sanctioned 37.8 crore rupees for developing the Parshuram Kund in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian batsman has become the first player in the world to hit 100 sixes in all formats against Australia? Rohit Sharma. The year 2021 has been marked as which anniversary of the Swami Vivekananda? (158th). Which national park has topped in the Management Effectiveness Evaluation Report prepared by the MOEFCC? Great Himalayan National Park. Which company has partnered with the Niti Aayog to launch the revamped Women Entrepreneurship Platform? Flipkart. Which nation's president will be the chief guest at the India's Republic Day Parade 2021? Suriname. What is the theme of the 4th One Planet Summit 2021? Let's act together for nature. Which social network has been removed by Amazon, Apple, and Google for promotion violence? Parler. What is the projected GDP rate of India as per report of Nomura for the fiscal 2020-21? -6.7%. Which state government has decided to waive entertainment tax? Kerala. How many Atal Tinkering Labs has been adopted by the ISRO for promoting education in space technology? 100. Dr. Prakash Rao, who has passed away recently, was the recipient of Padma Shri honor for contribution in which field? social activity.